Okay, good morning, everyone. This is our special day that we invited Venerable Blablu from Bangladesh. He, my friend, and we have a very important topic to talk about meditation. So we will get a lot of knowledge from him about the introduction of the meditation, why meditation is very important. So, uh,
Mm,
Venerable
so
sir, I think many people would like to know about why do we have to do the meditation?
the meditations is the most important nowadays because all of the people, even it is not the regard of the religious teachings, it is teachings for the universal truth. All of the peoples in the world they are facing many problems. Mostly they're facing the mental problem, physical problem, and also they have a lot of problem in the economical and social. So they feel a lot of stress in their inner mind.
Yeah,
So meditation is the only one way to recover from them, and they make it as a meditation is a focus on the living of the present moment. It is called like as anapana sriti,
yeah,
which is called breathing in and breathing out.
yeah,
So and all the times you have to be relaxed, feeling to be relaxed, and be concentration of the present
yeah.
moment. So this is important to make happy of life and make your mind be calm and be peaceful. So meditation is the most important for
So,
nowadays.
so how it can be that a meditation can lead people to see the happiness? Why many people feel that to do the meditation sometimes it's very hard to concentrate on the mind. So, do you have any suggestion if someone they said I want to do meditation but I cannot concentrate on my mind? So, how can I find the happiness in mind?
Actually, first time not for the beginner, not only for the general people, even the older ones. The first time it will be a little bit difficult, but when they try and try, because the this is also the continuous process. Not only
Yeah,
1 and 2 days, this is be happening very easy.
yeah,
So it take time to make a process when they are coming, and the practice every day mornings maybe half an hour, and then evening half an hour, and they slowly they grown up 45 minutes, then 45 minutes, then 1 hour, 1 hour. Just they have to from beginning they have to from start half an hour, and then you can improve as a 50 minutes,
yeah,
50 minutes, and it will be I think take easy them when they're understanding
yeah,
their breathings and breathing in and breathing out, and I think they'll be understand it
yeah.
slowly, but it will take time,
That's
not
good.
in one
Yeah,
day.
so what is the challenge for the beginner who start to do meditation, and what is your suggestion if for the beginner and they would like to do meditation and they want to overcome the challenge while they're doing meditation?
The first challenge for the people so when the meditations are the place. The some place is not a quite for meditation place, but in your resort it's a very good place for concentration of the mind. Very natural place, and because all the meditation process is going to the naturally and natural phenomena, which is we call the painting come, painting go, and this is the changeable, this is the impermanent everything, and this is to really understanding to make the good place, quiet place to understand. So this is the one good place I think the this resort they can understand things, and when the practice are difficult, the challenge is to concentration of the mind.
Yeah,
But I think this is not the challenge for them. Just try first is challenge, but after that it will be continue because as a good atmosphere in your have, and when they practice slowly, it will be not be challengeable for their life.
yeah. And one question that I very often that asked by the people that are going to start doing meditation, and they normally said I cannot control my mind and my mind just go around, and that is wrong. That when the people doing meditation and then they cannot concentrate their mind.
This is not the wrong. This is not the wrong. This is true because mind we are compared as a monkey. The mind is always shift from one place to another place.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
this is the truth. This is the natural because even the mind is transferred from more than the electricity.
Yeah,
We are talking in here, but our mind will be in
yeah, yeah,
other places, other to working.
yeah. That
That's why
that is true.
we are trying to be people to be
Yeah,
mindfulness. Mindfulness means what you are doing at the moment, at the single moment nowadays.
Yeah.
You'll be concentrated on other things.
Yeah, and then when the people start doing meditation and they cannot concentrate their mind, and some people say, "Oh, I better give up."
No, no,
So-
no, 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 no. No, as I told you, this is the monkey mind. So
Yeah.
you have to be, the technique, why you meditation need.
Yeah.
How to be turning up our mind. That is the importance.
Yeah.
Training for given to the mind is to be controlling the mind power. Because
Yeah.
in the world, nothing's be impossible. Everything be possible if you try from your heart.
Yeah. So,
From your mind.
just so how can you tell the people that why they are sitting doing meditation? So, what is that it can be called as the happiness from the meditation?
No, meditation is not like only for sitting. No?
Yeah.
You can sit, you can walk, you can sleep, whatever you're doing, all the time keep mindfulness.
Yeah.
That is called the meditation. Not only for I have to sit one place and I have to go a long time. I have sitting half an hour,
Otherwise
1
feel boring,
hour.
yeah.
This is feeling boring. You can
Yeah.
do many way when you just working, but you have to be understand that I am working. All the single, my foot is go and touch the earth or whatever I'm doing, the right, left,
Like the awareness.
yeah, awareness to keep yourself.
Yeah.
All the times you are working, when you're sleeping, you have to be awareness. You are sleeping all the moment, and breathing is going and breathing is out. Because if no breathing, you will die.
Yeah, that's true.
Huh? So we have to be realize that breathing is my life.
Yes. So it's very important. So and then it related to the meditation. So why is meditation related to breathing?
Because of the breathings related, otherwise we have to true nature understanding. What is the Dhamma? Dhamma means that nature. We have to understand the true nature of human body. So when we are going to the meditations, this is like one of the object. What you follow, you can follow. Some people in the meditation not only breathing, they are observing. They also rising and following. They observe from their stomach because this is the one object you have to select to control your mind. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You have to. Some people is taking the breathings. Breathing is the one. The teachings is from the Buddha teachings. This
Yeah.
is called the Anapana Sriti. So as a Buddhistic way, we are going to the breathings. One is very perfect because of the in a Mahasatipattana Sutra, Lord Buddha teaching about the breathing is the first. And if they cannot, some people understanding of the breathings, they can also do the rising and following, rising and
Yeah.
following. And some people also do some of the object like as a stone, they just sit and they imagining some of the stone
Yeah.
in here and they
Yeah.
imagine. But the perfect way I think is the breathing and also rising and following because this is the true nature.
Yes.
This is the true naturally happening.
Also, we're talking about our meditation and teaching by the monk, and normally relate to the way of we call Buddhist meditation. So, if someone who are really interested to practice meditation, like Buddhist meditation, so do they have like to learn about Buddhist teaching first, or they can start doing meditation by themselves?
Actually, that Lord Buddha, when the teachings, the meditations, I don't think that he mentioned that about that this is for the Buddhist people.
Yeah.
He teach because who are the beginner who learning the meditation, they was not a Buddhist. They just
Yeah,
learning and they try to be when they practice, they try to follow the Buddha's rules and regulation and contract, which is we call
Yeah.
the moral contract.
Yeah.
So meditation for a study about the mindfulness, no need to be you are a Buddhist.
Yeah.
Any people, anyone be most welcome because as a stress is not for the Buddhist people, as a stress is not for the Christian people, as a stress is not for others. All the emotion is not
Yeah.
for belong to one religious. No?
Yeah.
Emotion is happening everywhere.
It belongs
The
to humanity.
Human beings.
Yes.
So this is the important. No need to mention about that. This is for our teaching.
Just
This
so-
is the.
Yeah, that's true. And sorry. So for one more question later, when we start doing meditation, do we need the teacher to guide us how to do meditation, or we just can read the book or learn by themselves or find the knowledge how to do meditation and we start doing it?
I think this is the good standard point. They must meet the one good teacher.
Good teacher.
Yeah,
Very
they must need the one good teachers because of the if the people's doing the some meditation in deeper step, not the first step, when they do the deeper step, lot of things will be happening with their self,
Yeah.
and they are see lot of things object in their face,
Yeah.
in their mind, and imagings of their life. So they need to share with the good teachers. So good teacher also important. Even the beginning times when they learn something and somewhere from, after they continue their own,
Yeah.
because no need to teach all the talk teachings for the monk can be teach, but they can also teach in some people, but they need to some initial
Yeah.
a step for learning from the good teachers.
Yeah. So it m- what what does it mean that the good teacher who can give instruct about the meditation? That
Good teacher, I means the who have really qualified for doing the meditations, because some of the know the process is a deep process. It's also because meditation when we are doing the a deeper step, is not to for only for the general happiness. It is going for also the spiritual development. When the spiritual development come, before they have many obstruction.
Yeah.
So all the obstruction have to remove from himself.
Yeah.
They must have to concern with the good teachers.
Yeah.